Hi, this is Chad with NoviSign, and today we're going to cover a brand new feature that was just released that enables you to seamlessly incorporate free professional photography and images and stock content using Unsplash. Unsplash is a free third-party website that is royalty-free with a full library of beautiful imagery, photography, and other media content that you can use for digital signage. So to get started, we're here on novisign.com, and I'll select the login button on the right. Here takes us to the online studio. In this area, you will be able to create, edit, and manage the content for your digital signage. So to get started, we'll hit Create from Template. And notice we have a full library of templates that you can build from to customize, or you can build something from scratch. We do also support any other ratio. So let's say portrait, simply select the drop down and hit 9:16. But for this demo, we'll do landscape. So for this one, we'll just do something basic from scratch. And so to add your Unsplash, an image from Unsplash, we will drag the web image widget on the left onto the canvas. Once it's there, we can size it accordingly. Then you notice on the right, it says Web Image Properties. So we have here two options, an image URL, which is basically if you right click on an image, so let's say for example, here on our website, this little image here, if I right click it and hit copy image address, that's the URL. So if I wanted to add that image here, simply click image URL, and there we go, done. Very, very easy. The second option is pulling an image from Unsplash. So that's the second one, it says Unsplash. So I select that, and here it gives us the ability to search. So let's say, for example, business. Here it gives us a full library of different options that we can pull from. So let's click on this one for say, hit OK. Very easy. Notice it seamlessly resizes if you adjust it. You can also create a slideshow and utilize the images from Unsplash as well. How do we do that? Using the slideshow widget. So on the left, it says slideshow. Click on the slideshow widget, size it accordingly. Then on the left, we'll select web image, drag that into the box. On the right are the properties for slideshow. It says web image. So I'll select the little pencil icon and select Unsplash. And so let's just say welcome. And there we go. Now, I want to go back. It's on the right. It says slideshow item. Hit back. Web image 10, that represents seconds. So I want that image to be there for 5 seconds. Now I want to add a second one. So again, click, drag web image into the slideshow container and select the edit pen, the Unsplash, and let's just say corporate. And here we go. Select my image, hit OK. Then again on the right, so slideshow item number 1, hit back. I'm going to adjust the size to 5 seconds. Now if I hit preview, let's see how it turned out. So here's our first image that we added. 5 seconds later, it switches over. Very easy. Now another way that you could use it is to find backgrounds for your content. So I'm going to drag my web image over, put this here. There we go. Select Unsplash on the right, and let's just say chalkboard. Here we go. So here's all of our options. So if I want to do a background of kind of like a chalkboard style, we've got our options that we can browse through. Let's just say, there we go. Gives us a nice simple backdrop. And then you can stack your items on top of it. So let's say you want to do weather. So as you can see, it's very, very easy to find really nice imagery that you can utilize and incorporate into your signage. And best of all, it's free and it's included with NoviSign. As far as the types of categories that are included in the Unsplash library, it's virtually endless. So it doesn't really matter the category. Simply type and search. So maybe you're a medical medical facility and you need some nice imagery to include into your content. Search medical, and we've got some nice options. So this maybe could be a medical image or medical backdrop that you could use, but it's very, very, very straightforward, intuitive, and pretty powerful. Let's say food. So if you're a restaurant, you want to find some nice imagery for food to incorporate into your menu. There we go, pizza, bam. Look at that, nice, HD, crisp, clear, resizes perfectly. You can give it a try yourself on our website. So go to novisign.com, and in the upper right, select Start Now. Takes us to our sign up page. No credit card is needed. Full 30-day trial. If you'd like to receive a demo or more information or questions, you can send us an email anytime. info@novisign.com. Thank you.